McCarthy at San Francisco State. Today I've got a double slit. A double slit is two slits. Things can go through it. Perhaps particles could go through a double slit. If this were, say, a stencil, we could have spray paint particles going through. And as the particles went through, you would see a pattern on a wall behind the double slit that looked like two stripes. On the other hand, what if waves went through? Well, that could happen. And for this experiment today, we're going to rotate the slit, turn it sideways so there's an upper and lower slit. Now, if light were a particle, then we'd expect to see two stripes, just like above. But what if light is a wave? In that case, waves from the upper slit can interfere with waves from the lower slit. Here's a wave. And imagine this wave is coming from the upper slit and is showing up right there. If another wave comes from the lower slit and collides with this wave, it could happen that the two waves are out of phase with one another. In that case, the peak and the trough will line up and the wave will cancel itself out. Well, we have a double slit with us right here today, and I've got a laser that's firing light at a very small slit, not as big as this one, a very small slit on a slide that I've placed right here. So light from the laser comes through, and we're going to put the slit in place and see what happens to the pattern of light that it makes on the screen over there. So there we go. The double slit is now in place. The light is coming through here. Some of it goes through the top slit, some goes through the bottom slit, and these waves might offset one another if they travel a slightly different distance. And when they do, if they are offset by half a wavelength, then they'll collide, cancel each other out, and you'll see a dark fringe there. The other possibility is that light will combine and travel so that the peaks and the peaks are in phase, and that will create constructive interference, bright fringes. So this pattern of bright and dark fringes is proof that light is a wave.